Welcome to our very beautifully done 3-bedroomed apartment in Kiamunyi. This is Master Homes in Kiamunyi, Nakuru County, in a lush green environment with a lot of fresh air. And before we go any further, I would want to show you how this door has been beautifully done for your security. This is a digital camera on the door, installed on the door for your security. These apartments come with very large sliding windows. They have been done very well, very nicely. We have this and we have this other one on looking the other side, giving you a very beautiful view of Njoro and this area as you head to Eldoret. It comes with chandeliers. If you buy this apartment, it comes with a chandelier. It has been very beautifully done, quite spacious for your living area. And another amazing, beautiful thing is that this is where you and your family can set up a dining area. We have a sink here. We have a very nice, beautiful mirror. And when you set up your dining table here, you unlock a very spacious kitchen. Again, sliding windows. We have tiles imported. These are imported tiles from all the way China, India, quite sourced specifically to make this kitchen very beautiful. This is a very nice area. It's a very spacious area again for you. The sink is a double sink. You can wash your utensils from here and rinse them on this side. We have a laundry area here. This is where you put your washing machine or you just your basin and you clean your clothes. In the kitchen, we have something we call a pantry. This is quite good for you for all your shopping needs. Our bedroom number 1, again, the tiles have been very well done. The large windows are still in the bedrooms, quite spacious. We have full-length wardrobes, This is for your children. Very nicely done, very spacious for all their clothing needs. Our second bedroom is quite, you can see how beautifully these chandeliers actually are. Again, very spacious, tile work, very well done. Sliding windows, still in the second bedroom. This is your kids' bedroom, and the full-length wardrobes, very spacious for all your children's clothing needs, enough space for them to be able to store. We have a shared common area. This is a wash area. This is the bathroom and a toilet, and this is a common sink area for all those bedrooms. For the 2 bedrooms, that this is where they come to do all their washing. And the beautifully, very well done master bedroom. This is where a couple relaxing after their long day at work. It comes with a free grass carpet. If you buy this apartment, it will come very beautifully grass carpet, and you enjoy your easy Saturdays, easy Sunday afternoons here, overlooking the beautiful lush green area of Njoro as you head to Eldoret. These are his and hers wardrobe. Your husband can take up this one, and your wife can take up another wardrobe. His and hers wardrobes, very spacious. You don't have to share a closet. You do not have to share a closet. And then to complete the master bedroom, we have the toilet, which is a separate toilet and a bathroom on the other side. It comes with a sink and a mirror and a very nicely done toilet here. The tile work is just beautiful. These tiles are imported. Very beautiful, very, very beautiful tiles. The selection was just awesome. And the bathroom here, this is where you shower, and this is now where you complete and relax after a long day's work. We have one more thing that I would love to showcase. That's a very beautiful corridor. That's a very, very spacious, very beautiful corridor with enough lighting up here, enough lighting. We have a borehole ensuring that you and your family have plenty of water. That borehole pumps water into an underground and that underground tank pump water to these tanks that you oversee in our very large and very for your satellite TV, for all your barbecue, for your playground in this beautiful, very spacious, nicely done rooftop. Overlooking on this side, you can see Lake Nakuru. We have on that side the Njoro Hills, and on this other is Kiamunyi area. Very beautiful, very serene, very quiet, and amazing, amazing fresh air. This is a place your family would want to invest. We have a surveillance camera on the location. This ensures your security. We also have solar powered panels for your lighting at night, and full parking space here. This is quite large. You can see the landscape beautifully done. We have an electric fence all around the entire facility, so you can rest assured of your security.